Welcome to our latest video. Today, we'll explore 7 of the most effective foods for naturally unclogging your arteries. These foods have been scientifically proven to reduce and even reverse plaque buildup. Among them, you'll find a fruit, 2 vegetables, an herb, and a seed. Can you guess what they are? The last 2 items are essential nutrients found exclusively in certain foods, so make sure to stick around until we reveal number 1. Additionally, we'll share a simple 3-ingredient recipe for artery cleansing at the end. Remember, the content of this video is purely educational and should not be considered medical advice. Firstly, are you familiar with the term atherosclerosis? It pertains to the hardening of arteries due to the accumulation of plaque, which consists of cholesterol, fatty substances, cellular waste products, calcium, and fibrin, a blood protein aiding in clotting. When arteries become clogged with plaque, it increases the risk of heart attack or stroke. Your physician will likely recommend a healthy diet and sufficient exercise to mitigate these risks. If signs of atherosclerosis are present, you may receive prescriptions for statins to lower cholesterol or fibrates to reduce triglyceride levels, among other medications. While these drugs can help manage or treat atherosclerosis, research indicates potential side effects. The encouraging news, however, is that atherosclerosis is preventable and sometimes reversible. You can take proactive steps to safeguard your health, starting today. Here are 7 foods you should incorporate into your diet to cleanse your arteries. These foods not only prevent the buildup of arterial plaque but may also aid in unclogging your arteries. Let's start with our number 7. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is associated with the treatment or prevention of over 220 various health conditions or symptoms. However, in the context of cardiovascular disease, which stands as the primary cause of death among individuals in industrialized nations, garlic emerges as an exceptional remedy. In fact, the therapeutic properties of this pungent food can potentially decrease the risk of stroke by over 50%, as evidenced by a particular study. Number 6. Pomegranate. Although not everyone may appreciate the slightly acidic yet delightfully sweet taste of pomegranate, this fruit demonstrates remarkable efficacy in removing plaque buildup, as indicated by numerous studies. Abundant in polyphenol like tannins and anthocyanins, consuming pomegranate juice has been shown in one study to decrease arterial plaque by up to 30%. Additionally, it helps lower blood pressure and boosts total antioxidant status, TAS, by 130%. Another study suggests it can impede oxidation, which contributes to plaque formation. Number 5. Kimchi. There's no denying the benefits of fermented foods for digestion and overall health. They are packed with numerous probiotics that support a healthy gut, a crucial factor contributing to overall well-being as recognized by researchers. Concerning heart health and atherosclerosis, kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made from fermented cabbage, emerges as an ideal food choice to combat arterial plaque accumulation. In fact, a study has demonstrated that kimchi outperforms a popular statin medication in preventing plaque buildup and reducing LDL cholesterol levels. Moreover, kimchi's high probiotic content aids in neutralizing harmful toxins and chemicals in the gut. These beneficial bacteria, backed by numerous studies, have been shown to prevent and alleviate symptoms of over 200 different diseases. Number 4. Sesame seeds. The petite sesame seed boasts a distinct flavor and is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as copper and manganese. Additionally, sesame seeds are abundant sources of iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B1, zinc, molybdenum, selenium, and fiber. The cardiovascular benefits of sesame seed stem from 2 remarkable compounds known as sesamin and sesamolin, which are lignans with potent cholesterol-lowering properties. These compounds can aid in preventing high blood pressure and enhancing tissue levels of vitamin E. A study indicates that daily consumption of sesame seed oil for 45 days can naturally reduce blood pressure. Furthermore, another study suggests that sesame oil may help prevent atherosclerosis. Additional research demonstrates sesamin's ability to safeguard the liver from oxidative damage. Surprisingly, scientists have also found that this humble seed is more effective than a popular arthritis medication in relieving knee pain. Quite impressive for such a small seed. Number 3. Turmeric. When discussing spices beneficial for heart health, none surpasses turmeric. The active component in this vibrant yellow spice is curcumin, an exceptionally potent polyphenol. Turmeric can be considered a miracle ingredient due to its numerous health benefits. In terms of heart health, numerous studies have demonstrated the remarkable cardioprotective properties of turmeric. One study highlights how turmeric can prevent arterial damage typically associated with blockages. Another study reveals that a daily dose of curcumin can significantly enhance the functional condition of blood vessels within just 2 months. Researchers conclude that incorporating curcumin into your routine is a simple practice that reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 2. B vitamins. The B vitamins encompass B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B12, cobalamin, and folic acid. While it's possible to obtain all of these vitamins in a B-complex supplement, relying solely on these may not be optimal for long-term health. Recent research has highlighted the significance of a naturally occurring amino acid known as homocysteine in heart disease. Elevated levels of homocysteine in the bloodstream can lead to arterial damage and increased blood clotting, heightening the risk of blood vessel blockages and subsequent heart disease. Fortunately, scientists have discovered that 3 B vitamins, folic acid, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6, exert potent effects against heart disease. A study indicates that a combination of 2.5 mg of folic acid, 25 mg of vitamin B6, and 0.5 mg of vitamin B12, taken for 1 year, effectively lowers homocysteine levels and reduces arterial thickness. Additionally, research underscores the importance of niacin and folic acid in promoting heart health. In summary, B vitamins may play a role in lowering the risk of heart disease. Number 1. L-arginine. Another natural powerhouse renowned for its ability to reverse clogged arteries is the amino acid L-arginine. Studies indicate that L-arginine can reduce arterial thickening by up to 24%. In addition to this significant benefit, this potent amino acid is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial in combating heart disease. L-arginine also diminishes the risk of atherosclerosis and heart attack, aids in repairing blood vessels, combats congestive heart failure, CHF, and coronary artery disease, and may even help lower high blood pressure. With its efficacy spanning across 158 different diseases, L-arginine is undoubtedly a valuable addition to your arsenal of natural remedies for reversing clogged arteries. These are merely a few examples of nature's remarkable substances that can help mitigate your risk of heart disease. In fact, there are nearly 300 natural compounds recognized for their beneficial effects on heart health. Medications aren't always the sole solution. Adopting a healthy diet, engaging in regular exercise, and incorporating nature's remedies can significantly contribute to maintaining your heart's health for years to come. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.